Hello guys, I am from Gogras, Maths sir. I am going to deliver lecture on question 22. The question is, a wire of length 28 meter is to be cut into two pieces. One of the pieces is to be made into a square and the other into a circle. What should be the length of the two pieces so that the combined area of the square and the circle is minimum? Solution implied that here I shall write, here it says wire of length 28 meter. Total length of wire is 28 meter. We have to make two pieces of the wire. First piece is going to be made into square and second piece going to be made into the circle. Set length of two pieces so that combined area of square and circle is minimum. Now here I shall write, let x be the length of one piece to be made into circle. Let x be the length of one piece to be made into the circle. Hence, the circumference of the here circle. Let x be the length of one piece to be made into the circle. The circumference of the circle is equal to x. Implies that 2 pi r equal to x, where r is radius of the circle. Where r is the radius of the circle, so 2 pi r equal to x. The formula is there. Circumference of the circle is equal to 2 pi r, and total length of one piece is to be known as circumference x. So here I shall get radius equal to x over 2 pi. I shall write radius you have got here. Now implied that the area of the circle equal to pi r square. Pi r, in place of r I shall write x over 2 pi का whole square. The area of the circle equal to pi dot x over 2 pi का whole square, pi r square. The area of the circle you have got pi dot x over 2 pi का whole square. Now again I shall write now the length of the other piece other piece to be made into the square equal to 28 minus x. Now the length of other piece to be made into the square equal to 28 minus x. The perimeter of the square equal to 28 minus x. The perimeter of the square equal to 28 minus x. Hence, the one side of the square equal to 28 minus x over 4. 28 minus x over 28 minus x whole over 4. The side of the one side of the square equal to 28 minus x over 4. The area of the square equal to side का whole square equal to 28 minus x over 4 का whole square. The area of the square equal to side का whole square equal to 28 minus x over 4 का whole square. Again I shall write, let f of x be the sum of the areas of the circle and square. F of x will be the sum of area of the circle के area and square के area का sum. F of x I have written. And now area of the square is this value and area of the circle is this value. Both value will be added together, will be equal to f of x. Implied that f of x is equal to area of the circle. First of all I shall write pi plus x over 2 pi का whole square plus 28 minus x over 4 का whole square. Implied that f of x equal to pi x square over 2 to the 4 pi square plus 28 minus x का whole square over 4 into 4. Here 4 square comes out to be 16. Again I shall write implied that f of x equal to Here in numerator pi is available and denominator pi square is available. That will be cancelled out. We will get here x square over 4 pi, x square over 4 pi plus 28 minus 6 का whole square over 16 I shall write. Implied that this value I have got. Again I shall write differentiating f of x with respect to x, we shall get implied that d over dx of f of x is equal to 1 over 4 pi dot d over dx of x square over 1 over 16 dot d over dx of 28 minus x का whole square. So we shall get here implied that d over dx of f of x comes out to be f dash of x equal to 1 over 4 pi. d over dx of x square comes out to be 2x plus 1 over 16 I shall write, and d over dx of 28 minus x का whole square comes out to be 2 in bracket 28 minus x over d over dx of 28 minus x. This thing we have got. Again I shall write implied that f dash of x equal to, here in numerator 2 is available, in denominator 4 is available. So 2 and 4 will be cancelled out. We will get here x over 2 pi. So here write x over 2 pi. X over 2 pi plus, here 2 is there in numerator and 16 is there in denominator. So 2 and 16 will be cancelled out. We will get here 1 over 8 28 minus 6 d over dx of 28 minus x comes out to be minus 1, implied that f dash of x is equal to x over 2 pi plus minus 1 will multiply to plus 1 here, so we will get here minus 28 minus x minus 8 I shall write. (28 minus x whole over 8 you have got here. So again I shall write for maxima or minima, put f dash x is equal to 0. You will get here implied that x over 2 pi minus 28 minus 6 over 8 equal to 0. Implied that x over 2 pi equal to 28 minus 6 whole over 8. again I shall write implied that find out the value of x here. So here I shall get x over pi equal to 28 minus x over 8 4. Again I shall write just cross multiply the things here. You will get here 4x is equal to 28 pi minus pi x. Just check out whether things are going correct or not. From this place I shall find out f of x equal to pi. You can see here I have left pi here. So here I should write here pi. Pi I have omitted here. So here pi dot comes out. Because here f of x pi dot x square is equal to 2 to the 4 pi square it comes out to be. Isn't it? From this place you can notice f of x is equal to pi. I have written x square whole over 4 pi square. Same thing I have written here. 28 minus x का whole square over 16 I have written. Now differentiate the things here. So here we will get at this place here pi square will be cancelled out. So here we will get 1 over 4 pi will get only. Pi and pi square will be cancelled out. So pi will be there in denominator, 4 will be there in numerator. X square cutting. And here this thing I think this is okay. Now here we will get 1 over 4 pi 2x plus 1 over 16 2 x is it now. That is okay. So here you have got x over 2 pi plus 1 over 8 28 minus x minus 1 f dash of x is x over 2 pi minus 28 minus x minus over 8. Put x over 2 pi minus 28 minus x is 2 x over 2 pi minus 28 minus 2 is 2. Here x over 8x. What to do here? Here this value we have got 4. That is okay. 4x minus 28 pi minus pi x. Just calculate this one. Here again I shall write 4x plus pi x equal to 28 pi. Implied that I shall take here x as a common. You will get here 4 plus pi equal to 28 pi. Again I shall write implied that x equal to 28 pi over 4 plus x. 4 plus pi, not x here, 4 plus pi. x equal to 28 pi whole over 4 plus pi you have got. Value of x you have got. That is correct. Now what will do next? Next it says the combined area of the square and circle is minimum. So you have to prove whether this minimum combined area is minimum or maximum. For that one I shall find out f double dash of x. Here write f double dash of x equal to, write down from this place. So here you will get 1 over 2 pi dot d over dx of x minus 1 over 8 d over dx (28 minus x). F double dash of x equal to d over ds of x comes out to be 1. So 1 over 2 pi I shall get. Here d over dx of 28 minus x comes out to be minus 1. Minus 1 money you will get here plus 1 over 8. So you have got here greater than 0. So here I shall write implied that f double dash of x is greater than 0. So since f double dash of x is greater than 0, hence f of x is minimum. This thing we have got. Now first value we have got x equal to 28 pi whole over 4 plus pi. Now I shall find the other piece into square. The length of the other piece into square. The length of other piece into square will get here 28 minus 28 pi over 4 plus pi. You will get here 28 will multiply to 4. You will get here 112 plus 28 pi minus 28 pi whole over 4 plus pi. So this plus 28 pi minus 28 pi will be cancelled out. So we will get here 112 whole over 4 plus pi. I shall write. The length of other piece. The length of the other piece into square equal to 28 minus 28 pi over 4 plus pi equal to 112 plus 28 pi minus 28 pi whole over 4 plus pi. So you have got here 112 whole over 4 plus pi unit. This will be the answer, and also here write unit. This will be the answer. The two answer you have got. S equal to 28 pi whole over 4 plus pi unit answer will be. Here x is the length of one piece into the circle. Here length of other piece into the square, you have got 112 over 4 plus 5 unit, that will be the distance. This is the proper explanation of question number 22. Okay guys, thanks.